Hi all, welcome back to another video of Horilla. In today's video, let's see how to request for a new asset in Horilla. So here I have logged in as Sophia Howard. That is, this is employee portal for Sophia Howard. So let's say she needs to request for a new asset. So for that, let's go to the assets module, and under the assets module, we have the request and allocation. Here we have two tabs, that is the asset and the asset request. So in the asset tabs, you'll be able to view all the assets that is currently allocated for her. So that is, these are the assets that are owned by her now. And we can view the asset request under the asset request tab. So here, these are the asset requests that was created by her till date, and we can view the request user asset category that she has requested for, a requested date, and the status of the request. So to create a new asset request, we can click on this create request over here, and she has to fill in this form. So let's give the asset category. Let's say she needs a phone. So let's give the asset category phones, and let's add the description. I need a phone. And now let's save this, and we can see that the asset request has been created. So now this request has to be approved by the admin. So after viewing the request, and if the requested asset is available, the admin will approve the request. So let's go to the admin's portal. So this is the admin's portal, and from the admin's portal, let's go to the assets request and allocation. So here under the asset request, we can see the request that was created by Sophia Howard. So we can view the request user, the asset category, phones, the request date, the status of the request. Either we can approve the request from here, or we can view more details of the request. That is, we can view the employee name, her department, job position, the requested date, category, and the request description also. So from here, let's approve the request. So while approving, the admin has to assign the asset over here. She has requested for phones category. So we have to select a phone from here. So let's select a phone, and we have to provide a condition image also. So let's add the condition image, and let's save this. So we can see that the asset request has been approved successfully, and now in the employee portal, so let's go to employee portal. So here we can just refresh this. Here we can see that her request has been approved. So we can view that under the asset request of a portal, and here we can see that the request has been approved. So this is how we can request for a new asset in Horilla. So hope it is clear, and thank you for watching.